Hello my friend, I hope you are doing amazing, and on today's video within the next couple of minutes I will show you how you can find the bullish divergence on a real price chart and how you can benefit from it. First of all, a little bit of theory. Bullish divergence is the pattern when you can see on oscillator, in our case it is an RSI, higher lows, and at the same time you can see lower lows on the price action. In this case, right after this pivot, we might have a trend reversal and we might have at least a good bounce to the upside. And let me show you one more thing. If you found this pattern somewhere in the neutral territory, it won't be so powerful. The lower this pattern is, the more power it has. If you find it somewhere at this point, it will be much more powerful because most likely the bounce will be massive. And let's try to find this pattern somewhere here. As you can see right here, we have higher low on RSI, and at the same time we have lower low on a price action. This low and this low. And when you see this type of pattern, you can pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top, from this swing top to this bottom, and your price target should be at the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. And in our case, depending on the entry price, depending on the entry point, you might have a bounce for about 3.2% to 3.5%. Very good short-term gains. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. In this case, you won't miss my next video.